Welcome back. Time now is 7:40. Tomorrow, Owensboro will hold a first-of-its-kind Hispanic Health Fair. A variety of services will be available for families. The Green River District Health Department spokeswoman on our payroll, we know and love her, Merritt Bates-Thomas, joins us now along with Heidi Reyes, who is a case manager for Paquita Empowerment Initiative. And they are both here to tell us more about this great health fair tomorrow. We're going to have answers in both English and Spanish for our viewers as well. So good morning to both of you. Good to have you here.
Good morning.
So tell us a little bit about this, Merritt. This is the first of its kind here in Owensboro.
Well, first in a number of years,
Yeah.
and Heidi,
Okay.
is it 20 plus years since we've had an event like this?
It's been definitely at least
Okay.
15 years.
Okay, wow,
Okay.
so a long time.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes. So the collaborative effort, I think, is amazing. A group of community partners coming together to support this effort. Green River District Health Department is one of them, but just a great opportunity to outreach, connect people with services that they might not be aware of and that they can access, some of them free of charge.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Great.
Really, the goal is to ensure that the community feels some sort of unite. We haven't had anything like this in a long time, and truly, the Latino community has been ignored for a long time.
Okay.
And they experience a lot of the same things that really any other person who's struggling experiences.
So you guys kind of met together, many groups. I feel like I read that many groups are involved in putting this together. So what is taking place exactly tomorrow?
Yes, so we have about 30 different resources on the health fair.
Okay.
They're all from different backgrounds. There's going to be the school systems to register the students. We're going to have the hospital there with their A13 unit. We're going to have biometrics, all the different things. Todo lo que va a estar provenido ahí en la feria va a ser totalmente gratis. Es para nuestra comunidad. Hay servicios médicos, va a haber comida, cajas de comida, va a haber un momento para estar en comunidad como nunca hemos estado.
Okay. And so it's just really a great free event. Where's this taking place?
St. Joseph's and Paul
Okay.
Church.
Okay, okay,
So that is off of 4th Street.
okay.
Easy access. I believe it's between, is it Clay and Boulevard? But it's easy to get to in terms, 4th Street and 2nd Street are one-way streets.
Okay,
With
okay.
4th Street heading east.
Okay.
So I think most of the people in the community are aware of that and can find an easy way to get there and
Yeah.
not get too turned around.
Right, yes.
Why is this event so important? You kind of touched on it, but why is this so important to bring so many community groups together and offer so many services, many, like you said, free?
I would basically say the community does not know that we have these resources
Sure.
available to them, or how to even feel comfortable to say, you know, I'm a part of this community. I can access these things. And so, en el día de la feria, usted va a tener la oportunidad de conocer a los diferentes recursos comunitarios y todo va a ser gratis. Muchos de estos recursos han estado aquí por muchos años, pero nuestra comunidad no sabía que lo podían tomar y ahora lo pueden hacer.
Great. And in terms of signing up for this, you know, a lot of these we've been talking about a lot of health fairs, back to school things lately, and a lot of them require pre-registration or to bring certain things with you. What do people need to bring? Do you have to pre-register? Can you just show up?
We want everyone to just show up.
Okay.
And it's honestly, it's going to be such a good time. We're bringing in one of the community favorite DJ.
Oh, right,
And so
yes.
he's gonna, and
Yes.
we're gonna have piñatas as well.
Okay.
So it's gonna be a very family-oriented environment, and we hope for people to just show up, have a good time, get whatever they need. El día de la feria vamos a tener el famoso DJ Rojo, uno de los favoritos, y vamos a tener la oportunidad de estar celebrando a cada uno, a tener opciones de tomar cualquier recurso, y todo va a ser gratis. No tiene que traer nada, solamente traiga usted mismo, traiga a su familia y tenga un buen momento ahí tomando todo lo que necesite, porque todo va a ser gratis.
And if this is a success, which we hope it is tomorrow, do you think you could have more of these throughout the year, maybe quarterly, something like that? Do you think?
Well, more events coming up and on the horizon.
Okay.
Yes.
I think another event planned for the fall that will be emerging after this is successfully completed.
Awesome.
And lots of exciting things happening. I think, like Heidi said, you know, connecting people to resources is key and important. An inclusive, welcoming community is important as well. And having access to an event like this is just a great way to celebrate not so much back to school, but just a healthy, thriving community that welcomes people and makes refugees and immigrants feel a part of it.
Well, we'll have you back on for the next one as well. Thank you both so much. We appreciate it, and we hope it is a very successful event tomorrow and good weather as well.